Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. Today we're testing this beautiful Pasquini Livia 90 espresso machine. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. See if you get a nice shot of espresso. Really good crema. A little installed crema there on the top. And then test the steam. Nice strong steam. And we'll test the hot water. Hot water works well. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.